Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to edit photos in CapCut. So as you know that CapCut can be used to edit not only videos but also photos. So here you can just import your photos to CapCut, and here if you want to adjust the length or durations of each photos, you can just click on a photo and drag the white box to the left or right like this to adjust the length. And if you want to adjust the coloring, you can also just use the adjust option, and here you'll see lots of options. You can adjust the brightness, the contrast, and etc. Okay, after that, if you want to add some photo effect, you can do that just by clicking on the effect, and you'll find photo effects that can be used for your photos. There are lots of category here. So for example, I want to use the cosmic effect for the first photo. Then for the second photo, I'm going to use the photo slinky effect. So this is the cosmic photo, like this cosmic effect. And for the second photo, I'm going to choose the photo slinky. So you can just choose the effects that maybe fits your needs, and there you go, you'll have that edited photos in CapCut. Okay everyone, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.